Hey guys, welcome to Usmanu Danfodiyo University Sokoto. My name is Marvelous and I will be your tour guide today. And today I will be showing you through the campus. I'll show you the student life, the nightlife and everything. So come with me. You came to mosque and you came to come and read?
No, we came for tutorial.
Tutorial? Which tutorial is it?
Yeah,
Okay, so we are now on the walkway on the road that leads to the arts of the campus, of the UDUS campus. So this is where, when you're coming from Kwakwalawa, this is where you're going to pass before you reach the school bus stop, and then you can now go to your respective classroom. So let's go. If you want to apply for NEL funds, they really take the NEL fund stuff serious here, unlike the south. And also, Sokoto is one of the hottest cities in Nigeria. This is because it is located in a dry Sahel and is surrounded by sandy savannas and isolated hills. So the temperature can get as high as 45 degrees Celsius, but most of the year it's around 70 degrees Celsius averagely. So don't be surprised. It's not that it is hot, but it is dry, so you won't feel it that much. At least there's nothing that special compared to the south. Unless it gets to 40 degrees Celsius, then you're going to really feel it and need a lot of water. How are you? So this is one of the projects of the Sokoto Energy Research Institute. It's a wind turbine. As you can see, Sokoto has a lot of sun and wind as well. So that's why they are investing in this kind of projects. There are more, and I'm going to show you more inside the school. I think this is just 4 of them, in which there are more inside the school. Welcome to the Abdullah Fodio Central Library. So this is where the Central Library is actually. It's pretty big, so if you want to read, you can come here. We would have gone in, but I don't have an ID card yet. So maybe when I get an ID card, I'm going to do a full tour of the library. All right. Okay, so we are now in the Convocation Theater. As you can see, they are currently using it for some program. It's not that big, but it is functional. So you might want to come here when you're in school to come and chill with your girlfriend or whatever. All right. Faculty of Science in Usmanu Danfodiyo University. So I'm touring the administrative building right now, and I'm trying to go down and see other things. Welcome to MH1, as in Multipurpose Hall 1. So this is where some departments with huge numbers of students come to have their lectures. You can see it's quite good. It's quite big, actually. So there are actually 2 multipurpose halls, and I'm going to show you the 2nd one right now. process right now, and this is just one of the world-class facilities at Usmanu Danfodiyo University. So you might want to come up north, come and study. So right now we are at the University Sports Center. So let's check it out. Wow, this is actually better than I thought. I never thought they would have this like at least semi-standard facility for sports, but this is actually, good. So this sports complex houses the football field, as you can see, the running track. It has where the fans can sit. It has a basketball court. It's actually nice. You can see that there's no grass. You have to have good connection for you to find grass in Sokoto, because this place is actually a desert. It's a semi-desert, I would say, but it's actually cool. So if you want to play football as a potential fresher that wants to come to this school, you know that you can find at least a semi-standard sports center. Right now I'm at the Jubril Aminu Hostel, which is the male hostel. It's a very big complex. I don't really know the number of buildings inside, but it's very huge one, and that's for the male students. Just flexing inside the hostel. You can see the flowers. I actually like, one of the things I like about this school is the greenery. The planting of trees, they really take that serious here, which makes a lot of sense because Sokoto is a very hot region. So the best way you could, at least protect the students from sun is to plant trees. So nice one from UDUS. So welcome to the UBA Pedestrian Bridge. So this is where, if you're going to the heart of the campus, you might want to pass this way, especially if you're going to faculties like the Faculties of Agriculture, the Faculty of Management and Social Sciences. So you might need, if you're living in the school state, you might need to pass this area. And there are actually two of these, but this is one of it, and this, I think this is the longest. If you look right beside me, you will see a rice farm and a maize farm. This is actually very common in UDUS because I think they are sharing the land with indigenes. So you usually find indigenes of Sokoto, planting stuff here. So let's go.